Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
We're doing great, and what about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. So we are meeting for the very first time. Let us introduce each other so that we can get to know more about us. Okay. So should I go first? Okay.
Sure,
So let me.
introduce ourselves. Thank you very much, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha Binte Masood. I study in 7 standard, and there are 4 members in my family. They're my parents, my brother, and me. My parents both are educated person, and at this time my father is a professor in physics, and my mother is a um, teacher, government teacher in math. And if I tell about my brother, we are study same standard 7, and we are siblings as well as we are twins, and we are from
Okay.
Bangladesh. I think
Okay.
that's
That's
about myself.
that's really nice to hear about you. You both are studies in seventh standard.
Yes, both are 7 standard.
Okay, okay, that's great. So let me introduce myself. I am
Sure.
Shatabdi. I'm from West Bengal, India, and talking about my academic credentials, I have done my graduation and post graduation in English literature, and I have completed my B.Ed also. And these days, I'm running my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Speak with Shatabdi. And talking about my hobbies, I like singing, dancing, and reading books the most. Okay, so yeah, so do you fight? Do you fight with each other, or you are very good, obedient? You always listen to your parents.
Yes, we are fight each other, but
Oh,
sometimes.
you do sometimes, and it happens with everybody. Like, yeah, so you are very good at studies. Your parents do scold you. You are very good at studies, both.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, from which state? How many states do you have in Bangladesh? Do you know?
So we have no in state, but we have division, 8 division.
Okay, okay, okay. So, what do you do in your free times?
Uh, okay, I'm telling you. So in our free time, we do a lots of work, but I want to tell you the most important thing that we do in our free time. So first, we have also a YouTube channel, So we handle our YouTube channel, upload video, editing video, and especially we practice to speak in English. And most of the important thing that in our free time, we try to make this type of conversational videos so that we can improve our communication skills.
Wow, that's really amazing. So, how long have you been speaking with others?
We have been speaking in English for 5 months only.
But you both are speaking very well. Where did you learn? From
Uh, we
YouTube?
we have learned English by ourselves at our home.
Wow, that's great. So, do your parents teach you still?
No, as I told you that we have learned English by ourselves.
Okay, okay. Do they know to speak English?
Yes, they can speak in English, but a little bit with us.
So
Okay.
I would like to know from you that what's your mother tongue?
It's Bengali. As like you also speak in Bengali, isn't it?
Yes, we can speak 3 languages.
Okay. What are they? Bengali, English, and
We know 3 languages: Bengali, English, Arabic, but we can't tell Arabic. But we read Arabic.
okay, okay. So do you have friends?
Yes, we have some friends in our school. You can say.
Okay. Do you speak in English with them?
No, we don't speak in English with them because they don't know English.
So in which medium you are studying? In English medium or in Bengali medium?
We are studying in a Bengal medium.
In government school or in private school?
It's private school.
Okay, okay,
So your
okay.
mother tongue is Bengali, so why you're speaking or learning this language?
Because I have completed all my degrees in English language. So I just want to teach my students effectively. That's why still I'm learning, still I'm a learner. I can't say that I'm perfect in this language. There are so many things that I have to learn. Sometimes I also make mistakes. So I just want to polish. I just want to be an advanced speaker of this language. So that's why I just want to teach my students effectively. And it's, the importance of English language. We all know the importance of English language nowadays.
Yes,
For
it's very.
example, wherever you are going, everyone speaks English, isn't it? Everywhere. And all the officials' work are also done in English. Like in bank, in school, all the officials' work, and even most of the important examinations, they're also held in English language. So, and it is the language that is widely spoken. Everyone speaks in this language. So, if we want to communicate globally, if we want to interact with everyone, then we should know this language. Everyone should know this language these days. It has become an important language for all of us. So, we all have to learn this language.
So do you
In
like
today, uh, what? Please.
do you like this language?
Absolutely. Earlier, I didn't like at all. But these days, it has become my favorite subject and favorite language, you can say. And because of this language, I'm getting a lot of opportunity to talk with a lot of people. So we all are getting a lot of opportunities for this language only. So yeah, I really like this language, and I also like who speaks in English. I also like them, like native speakers. When they speak very politely, and that really fascinates me a lot. And at that time I feel I have to learn more to be if I want to become like that those people, native people, I have to still learn a lot. Yeah. So why do you want to learn, you both want to learn this language? What is the reason behind it?
Yes, we both are learning this language for same reason. I am telling you that we have a goal to go abroad. So we want to if we want to communicate with their people, so we need English to communicate because they don't know our language and also we don't know their language. So
Right.
must to learn this language. And also English is the international and global language. And my father told us that the increasing of learning English in the world is increasing day by day. To get a good job with a smart salary, it is must to learn this language to speak. This is why we are learning this language.
Right, right. We all have to learn. So, which accent do you like the most? Are you following any particular accent, like American accent, or British accent, or Australian accent? Do you follow any particular accent?
American accent.
Yes, we are trying to follow American accent.
Yeah, I also like American accent. That accent, I feel it's better to British one because in India we follow British English, so people are interested to learn British accent and British English. But I personally like American accent the most. You also like that American accent?
Yes,
Yes, we also
and
like American accent.
yes. Okay. So you are learning, you can speak in English fluently very well. So what do you do every day to learn this language to improve your spoken English?
Yeah, every day I'm speaking with others, like this kind of conversation I'm doing. And I try to take topic every day and try to write down some thoughts about that topic in my notebook. That is what also I'm doing. And I listen to a lot of other people too. That also helped me to be good at listening skills. Although I am good at listening skills, you can say, because it's been so many years I have been listening to other people. It's been so many years. So I'm good at listening skills, But there are when it comes about speaking, I feel a little bit challenges. There are some areas where I need to work on. So I'm working on that. Yeah. So what do you do apart from doing this kind of conversations? What do you do to improve your English speaking skills?
Yes, just we do actually practice more and more to speak in English to become fluent in English, and just we do conversation. Without this, we don't do any other work to actually improve our spoken English. And just I listen more English entertainment videos so that I can improve my listening skills as well.
Right, right. And you also have studies, so you don't get that much time to give to spend time with this language, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
So what time? Okay, please go ahead.
Yes, we are students, so we it is very difficult to handle our actually communication skill conversation on the Skype app, also to handle our YouTube channel, also to actually speak to learn this language. So it becomes so difficult to us in first time, but now it becomes so easy to us to handle.
Right, right, right. So what time do you get off? What's your daily routine? What do you do from morning to night?
Yes, we get up early in the morning, then we brush our teeth, and also we have our breakfast. Then we study, and after that, we go to school at before 11 o'clock, and we actually spend the whole day at school. We return from school at 6 o'clock, and then we eat rice, eat something again, and then we take some rest. And now in this time, every day we are free. This is why I'm connecting to you, and every day we are trying to actually connect new people on this time, especially in the evening. And then we will study, and after that we will have our dinner again, and then I go to my study room for once time for study, then I go to sleep at 12 o'clock.
Oh my God, that's 12 o'clock. Okay. So, do you like to watch cartoon videos on YouTube, or what kind of content do you watch on YouTube?
Actually, to be honest, in past time I used to watch cartoon, but nowadays I'm not watching cartoons. Just I watch CID.
Okay, CID. Oh, you like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Do you like watching movies? Do you like hanging out with your friends?
No, I don't like to watch movie because it's so long, at least 1.5 hour. So we don't, as a student, we don't get enough time to watch. This is why I
Right.
just watch short video. I like to watch short video on YouTube.
So, don't you watch English movies? Do you watch English movies? You don't watch.
Yes, I watch actually English entertainment video who are from
Okay.
America. I watch
Okay,
that.
okay, okay. And do you listen to English songs? Do you like to listen to English songs?
No, because I have seen that lots of English video we can't actually meaning and we can't actually understand properly.
But
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
I song. Sometimes.
Sometimes you listen to. Okay, so I forgot to ask you one question. That what's your favorite subject? Which subject do you like the most?
I like most mathematics.
Oh my God, you're good at mathematics, but I'm really very afraid of that subject. And what about you?
And my favorite subject is science.
Science. Okay, that's great. You're quite intelligent. We both are very intelligent.
And your
Okay. These days, when I was in school, that time I used to like history and and life science. Life science was my favorite subject, and I didn't like English at all. But these days, you can say English has become my favorite one.
Yes,
Yeah.
actually on the social media I want to collect actually idea from actually about history in past time. Okay, so could you please
Like
tell
here.
that which city are you from, West Bengal?
Yeah, I don't live in a city. I live in a village. So the name of my district is Bankura.
What?
Bankura.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, and we are from village as well.
Okay, that's great. So we are same. Okay, so do you find any challenges to speak in village? Because what happens in the people of villages, they don't speak English at all. So what about your village? Do they speak English or do they communicate in Bengali only?
Yes, you can say every people speak in Bangla, our language, mother native language, all time, and I think it was not very much difficult to us to learn this language in village, because I want to show people, those who are going, those who are living village. I want to show them that you can do anything in actually from a village. You can speak, learn English from village, and I did it, and nobody helped us to learn this language, and we learned our this language by our own. And I also want to tell you that we don't play outside, we don't mix much people in our village. We want to live in our we want to spend more time in a day, in a single day, in our at our home.
Right. I also prefer to stay at home. I also do not like to go outside. I also prefer to stay at home. Yeah. Yeah, you are right. Absolutely, you're right. We these days we have a lot of resources. We can use them. We cannot make excuses that I'm living in village. That means
Yes.
I'm not able to speak. I am not going to speak in this language. It's totally a misconception because nowadays we're globally connected, isn't it? And we have a lot of resources. We can use them and we can become fluent in this language. So we shouldn't make excuses at all. That I'm living in a village, so it's not possible for me. I don't have environment. I can't speak. No, there are a lot
Yes,
of resources. YouTube can help us a lot to be fluent in this language. I also never joined any institution to learn spoken English. So I also I have learned all these things from YouTube.
yes, you're right. Where we are living, it doesn't matter. What matters that we have to learn it and we have to speak in English. That is the matter.
Yes, we just need a strong willpower. If we have a desire to achieve something, then definitely we can achieve that. If we don't have that desire, then definitely we're not going to achieve anything in our life. So we just need a strong willpower that I will love that, isn't it?
Yes, right.
Okay, so it was really nice talking to you. You both are really nice. I enjoyed our conversation. Thanks a lot for giving your valuable time.
Thank you very
Also,
much for.
thank you very much that you have given opportunity to talk with you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Have a good day.